Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing video for the TaoTronics Bluetooth earphones. This is a popular product on Amazon, so the purpose of this video is to help you understand exactly what you'll be getting when you order this product. I'll also be announcing the winner of the last giveaway of a Powerball in this video, so stay tuned to the end of the video to know the winner. I've seen a lot of reviews online for this product, and one thing I'll say is don't believe the hype. It's a decent product, but if you're very specific about which type of earphones that you use, you're going to feel like this is an average product. It's a decent pair of earphones. It's nothing to really write home about. The comfort is okay at best. You'll find it relatively comfortable, but your ears will get a little bit tired, and you'll also find that with these earphones, the sound clarity and the bass won't be as good as something like the Fitbit Flyer, which focuses heavily on the clarity, and you do get a bass boost system as well. So the earphones comes in a nice box, and when you open the product you see a little card. It gives you information about the warranty and how to register your earphones for the warranty program. Also, you get a change of ears, so you can see that there's a few different options here, but it doesn't have as many options as I would like, but other earphones tend to have a few more options. There will be another bag, and this bag will contain the earphones itself. The earphones have a material that makes it anti-tangle, so you don't have to worry about this getting tangled up too much. On the earphones itself, the microphone section has some buttons on it to control the pause and play and the volume up and down functions. You can see that the earphones are also magnetic, so they stick together so they're not flailing all over the place. The good thing about this is it also comes with a charger. And last but not least, it has a manual that comes with it, so it gives you information about how to use the product. Again, like I've said, it's a decent pair of earphones. The best way I can describe it is that if you have Apple earphones, for example, it has really good clarity and really good bass. If you then decide to go on Amazon and buy something that resembles an Apple earphone, you'll find that it's a good product, but it doesn't give you that same quality, and that's how you feel about this product. It may provide a good sound and a decent bass, but it won't give you that quality if you're already used to something that's a bit more upmarket. So for the giveaway, congratulations to Tia who won the Powerball. Don't worry if you missed out, this is only the second giveaway that I've done, and I'll definitely be doing more in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to techloto for more unboxing videos, reviews and giveaways. And remember to visit the website.